Did this man fall in love with an AI? After being promised to see 10 times his investment by a woman he fell in love with online. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of this.
And then she said she had some cargo in Germany, cars that she wanted to bring over, and she needed some extra money. Oh, I can give you 9, but that's about it. Well, it just kept going up.
She sent over $100,000 trying to meet this person. Carla has done her own research and she's blaming the actual woman in these images for creating all of these fake profiles.
Alright, well, my name is Israel. I'm from New Mexico. I'm a truck driver. I was incarcerated for almost 6 years, and that time that I did was really a wake-up call. We completed my probation. I'm looking for quality, and I'm not settling for less.
Israel was on the hunt to find a connection with a woman, but what he didn't know is that she would find him.
Like, I would get these random texts on my phone number. Hey, how's it going? And I'm like, who's this? Oh, I thought you were so-and-so. Oh, well, who are you? What's your name? You seem like a nice guy. So why don't we go on Telegram? I'm like, sure. We did a few video chats, but she has broken English. So I feel the reason why we don't do a lot more video chats, well, when we first started talking, it seemed like she was really trying to impress me. And I was impressed. She told me she's a district manager for Aritzia. She gave me her address. She lives in an apartment building in Manhattan. She's also an investor, and she's really into finance, and she reads a lot.
Israel and Emily would chat every day. They talked all day in through the night. The two would share countless photos and videos of each other to give updates on how their day was going.
I even told her about the time that I spent in prison, and she didn't hold that against me. And I had even told her, I'm like, yeah, this was something that I was afraid to tell you because I figured it would scare you away. And she's like, no, she's like, I'm actually proud of you because you turned your life around. And I was like, wow, thanks. It's taken me a lot of work to get to who I was to who I am today. She told me she's 5'5". She has a small waist. She has an ivory complexion. She has long hair. She is fashionable with all caps. She's classy. If I had a list of things that I wanted in a woman, she would hit 9 out of 10. She's Buddhist and I'm a Christian, but she says she loves learning. And so we've talked about the Bible. She's beautiful. I tell her in a million different words how gorgeous she is. And she makes me feel the same way. She tells me I'm handsome. She tells me so many things to make me feel good about myself. She calls me honey all the time. I call her everything in the book. Sweetheart, baby doll, my love. I would say that I could fall in love with her if I knew she was genuine, 100%. I had asked her, I don't know who you are. I need you to send me your ID because I don't know if you're 16 or 60. I mean, I don't know if it's a fake or if it's real. New York City, New York State driver's license. Reason why I need y'all's help is because I got involved in Bitcoin trading. And she had asked me so many times to do this because it'd be extra income for me. Because I told her about my goal, eventually be debt-free so I could have more freedom.
Emily claimed to be a successful Bitcoin trader living in New York. She helped Israel open up his first Bitcoin wallet by sending screenshots on how to download and set it up. In no time, Israel was ready to begin his first investment.
The first investment, she's like, yeah, let's do something small, and then I'll show you how to withdraw it and then deposit it back in your checking account. And then like when the 3,000 turned into 5,000, the 5,000 turned into 10,000, 10,000 turned into 15,000. Let me pull out some money so I can pay off my motorcycle. So no, keep it in there. Just wait. And then it turned into 30,000. Let me withdraw 5,000. I'll keep the rest in there so we can invest later. Because that's what I needed to pay off my bike. We got an alert. We need you to deposit $4,999 in order to verify your wallet address. And I'm like, what? So why should I have to put in money to get money? That's like the biggest scam in the book. But throughout all that, from the time that we started talking and up until date, like she never asked me for money directly.